Hmm.
Next point is the file operations. Next point is the file operations. In the file operation, there is a four types or four categories. First one is the creating file. Second one is the writing file. Third one is the reading file, and last one is the deleting file. These four operations are regarding a file related. Okay, the creating file is nothing but exactly whenever particular users or creator or owner creating a file, that kind of a process is exactly called as the creating a file. Okay, now writing file means what exactly? After creating a file, the user just perform his jobs like just some writing, some type the informations in that file. That is exactly writing. That is exactly procedure writing. Okay. Next is the reading. Reading means what? Whenever particular user just read the file, only reading the file. Okay, that kind of procedure reading the files. Okay, and last one is the deleting file means what exactly? When a particular users want to delete a file, want to remove the file, that kind of process is the deleting file. But before doing this operation, these all operations performed by a systems calls. Okay, whenever particular OS just provide a system calls, okay, then and then these operations are performed properly and successfully in the machines. Okay, now when the particular user just writing the files, okay, that time the system calls are activated regarding the writing file, regarding the reading file, regarding the deleting file, regarding the creating files. Okay, when the systems call active system, these operations are performed by a systems calls. Okay, now this is exactly a file operations. Now next part is a file structure. File structure means what exactly? File structure is nothing but a file format. Okay, once a particular users, once a particular owner create a file in the machines, that time the files have some extensions. Files have some extension. There is a number of extensions available here. Here is some few examples like a .docx, .xlsx, pptx, .c, .cpp, .java, .jpeg, .zip, .exe, .pdf. Okay, these are exactly extension means but before start the file structure, so that here is a one question is that what is exactly meaning of extension means what exactly? When a particular files are created in the machines, that particular files related some extensions are also created. Extension means what exactly? Extension through we just identify what is exactly a type, what is exactly a format of the file in the machines. Okay, whenever we just create a backwards of word file, that particular word files related extension is a docx. Okay, now excel file related extension is a xlsx, ppt file related extension is a .pptx. Now same like that. Okay, extension is very important. You can give any file name, but dot extension after dot, that particular word is nothing but extension. Extension through we just exactly identify what is exactly structure, what is exactly format, what is exactly type of the file in the machines. Okay, that is the important role performed the extension regarding a file in the machines. Okay, now next point is the file types. Okay, file type, there is a number of file types are available: executable file type, object file, source code, text, library, and last one is the multimedia. Okay, these file types related some extensions are available to here. Executable files related extensions .exe, .com, .beam or more. Okay, what exactly function of executable file is just read to run machine language programs. Okay, means executable file through just run the machine language program in the machines. Okay, now object file, what about exactly object file? Compile the machine language. Okay, not link. Okay, object file through just compile the program, compile the file, but not exactly linking in the machines. Okay, now what about source code? .c, .c++, OSM, Java means whenever you just create a particular program, okay, that programs are in a suppose a C language or C++ language. Okay, now that particular what is exactly you typing in the program, that kind of typing, that kind of a text is exactly a source code. Okay, means a source code is exactly your C code, C++ code, Java code. Okay, that kind of a code or that kind of a code is a proper format, proper structures regarding the language as per the language. Okay, source code in a various languages, there is a number of languages are available. You know the very well which kind of exactly languages are available in the machines. Okay, now next one is the text. Okay, all source code you just type regarding the languages, that source codes are in a which form? Text forms, like a hash include inclu, this is a text, printf printf, printf is a text, scanf text. Same funda are available in the each and every languages. Each and every languages is a source code. Okay, source code is a fixed format regarding the languages, and source codes are totally depend on the text, means the source code are available in which form? Text form. Okay, textual data document. Now library extension .lib, .a, .dll, libraries of a routines of a programmers, means number of languages have a different libraries are available. In that library available for number of features and functions regarding the languages. Okay, that libraries are very useful. Okay, means those functions are available in the library, that functions are acquired in the program for execution of a program. Okay, now last type is a multimedia. Multimedia is .avi, .mp3, .mp4, etc. Okay, binary file containing audio and video informations. Whenever we just create a file in the machines, okay, sometimes the file are in a audio file, sometimes file are in a video file, that particular file type is a multimedia type. Okay, now these are the exactly types of file. There is a number of types of available, and all file types are regarding the number of extensions. Okay, these are the exactly functions of file types. Okay, but here is the extension is very important. You can give any name of file, but extensions are not changed, extension are fixed. Okay, in extension through you just identify exactly a file. Okay, now this I hope you all of you understand what exactly file operation, file structures and file types. Okay, these are very important points in a exam point of view. If you any doubt, any query, please ask me by message or call.